With low entry costs and a potentially lucrative return on investment (ROI), affiliate marketing remains an attractive revenue stream for publishers looking to grow their audiences and monetize their content channels. In this video, we'll explore some of the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing in 2022 and how they're evolving as we look to the new year. 1. Lifestyle and wellness. The global health and wellness market value was over $4 trillion in 2019 and is estimated to reach $6 trillion by 2025. Coming off a year consumed by global health concern, the wellness niche is front of mind for many consumers. This impact plays out differently within demographic groups, so do your research when considering opportunities to connect with your audience. Focus your content on an audience with a specific health and wellness concern or set of desires, and help to educate them and provide solutions. Finally, stay up to date with wellness industry news, as fresh information will continue to shape public opinion and behavior. Be ready to adapt to evolving concerns and lifestyle changes with relevant, timely content. 2. Technology. Technology simplifies life and work, delivers entertainment, and helps us share our lives and opinions more easily. Products related to this affiliate marketing niche include digital streaming, digital downloads, video games, business software, mobile technologies, and more. More people are staying home, consuming digital media, and using technology for remote work. Sickness and layoffs have led to a smaller workforce with diminished physical product outputs, so industries that can are leveraging digital alternatives to meet demands. To get started in this niche, it's helpful to understand how your audience interacts with technology. Look for opportunities to help people stay connected, stay organized, and work efficiently from a home office. Educate your audience and match them with products and services they'll find useful. 3. Personal finance. This segment specializes in delivering financial services to consumers, especially in competition with traditional banking. It's expected to grow at a 20% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years, reaching over $300 billion by 2025. Globally, affiliate marketing in the financial technology sector had an estimated value of $12 billion in 2019. Financial technology companies have seen the light when it comes to affiliate marketing. Consumers enjoy the convenience, ease, and options afforded by advancing financial technologies, and that trend looks to continue. If you're considering this niche, make sure to consider how age and income level may dictate which products and services are best suited to your audience. Also, bear in mind that people want to be sure financial products and services are safe and simple to use. A successful affiliate marketer will understand and address these desires and the fears that accompany them. People want more options on how to access, grow, and share their money. Your content can educate consumers, giving them the tools they need to make smart financial decisions. 4. Pet care. This industry includes specialty pet foods, grooming products, pet clothing, therapy pets, service dogs, and more. With more people working from home, the pet care sector has evolved. A study on Common Thread Collective provides keen insight for marketers in this niche. Provide ample product information. Arm your customers with key benefits so they can easily see your item's value when they comparison shop. Arm your customers with key benefits so they can easily see your item's value when they comparison shop. people love and care for their pets. Affiliate marketing continues to grow as a monetization strategy for content creators. Choosing the right profitable niches is one of the most important decisions you'll make as you get started. By staying tuned into consumer concerns and desires and creating relevant content, you'll be able to offer your audience quality products they'll find valuable. In this video we shared several of the most profitable niches for affiliate marketers in 2022. Lifestyle and wellness products help people live longer, healthier, more fulfilling lives. Technology and digital services only increase in relevance with remote work and new developments. Personal finance innovations help people access, grow, and share their money. Pet care encompasses a nearly $100 billion industry of animal-related products and services.